I am driving my supercharged FR-S, as people usually do. Oh, there's kind of a MILF to my left. Just a little bit. Looking at that little booty. I wish y'all could have seen that shit. But, well, anyways, I'm driving my FR-S, and I'm just excited to have my camera put up on my window. On my beautiful, 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 beautiful tinted window. Dude on his bike. Looks like a dickhead. What a fucking cock. But hey, this isn't about a cock on a bike. This is about a cock in an FR-S. A beautiful, sweet FR-S. Let's give it a little boost, shall we? That guy was all probably like, hey, he's gonna hit me with his cool car. Nah, I wouldn't do that. I'd only hit a pretty car with my car. Hup, and there's 80. Ha ha ha! Fuck yeah! Fuck fucking yes! I got a motherfucking camera, bitches! And who the fuck is gonna say shit about that shit? God damn it! Except that dude maybe driving that like piece of shit car right there. All right then.